Hi, it's Jeff Lundblad again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. I've been putting out a series of videos from a large collection of toys I've just obtained. And it was a substantial collection. About 60 boxes, about this size, boxes and bins, just filled with every kind of toy you can imagine. So I've been opening these on video so you guys can get a flavor for what's going to be available on our website for sale. Our website is www.familylegacyestatesale.com, and these items should be up relatively soon on the website. So why don't we just dig in and see what we've got here. I'm just going to reach in, and looks like we've got G.I. Joe classified figures. In this box, G.I. Joe classified Bazooka. Oh, okay, and we've got, looks like an original Transformer G1 Blitzwing. So that's cool. That's from the mid-'80s. What else do we have in here? Just digging around, I've got a Transformers Sideswipe figure. It looks like a reissue, but a very nice item. I'm having a hard time reaching in here. More G.I. Joe classified Outback. Another one, Dusty. Looks like we got a lot of classified in here. Torpedo. Tip this box a little bit. All right, we got some Star Wars. Looks like Power the Force A-Wing fighter. And another Transformers from Transformer the movie, Starscream. Let me reach deep in here. Okay, another G.I. Joe classified, Recondo. Another Transformers Universe, Acid Storm. There's some cool stuff in here. What is this thing? Little Transformer, Skytread, Titan's Return. So we got a little mini Transformer. And we have another Bazooka. I think we had him already. Looks like we got a couple of them. There looks like they're different boxes. Okay, yeah, they are. And then we've got a Micro Squadron Star Wars AT-AT. AT-ATs are always cool. Everybody likes an AT-AT. And what do we got here? Here's a new unique item. Looks like a Gundam model kit. And it looks like it's all brand new in the box, never been opened. So that is very cool. Unique item for somebody. And then I've got another box in here that's not been opened yet. Let's see what's in here. We've got an AEW Riho wrestling figure. And we've got another G.I. Joe classified Crimson Guard. Very neat. And then we got a Japanese figure. And this looks like it's a villain from the Masked Rider series. Also from the Masked Rider series. More Masked Rider. And another Masked Rider. Just a nice little selection of those. And then we've got Bret Hitman Hart. Looks like a wrestling figure. What do we got in here? Now we've got a bunch of tiny loose stuff. Just got a Hot Wheels vehicle. Another Hot Wheels Alfa Romero. Lancia Stratus, another Hot Wheels. Spetacolare, I guess is how that's pronounced. And then in here, not even sure what this is. I have to get back to that. We've got, looks like a whole bunch of loose Transformers. This collector was phenomenal about his toys, so he generally kept all of the accessories. So I'm excited that those will be probably complete figures. That actually looks like it might be a Gundam figure, not Transformer. There's another figure. I'm not sure what that is even. Looks like maybe another Gundam figure. A whole bunch of different stuff in here. The video will be too long to show it all to you, but a lot of cool stuff. And looks like some kind of Pokemon figures as well. Looks like more Pokemon stuff. And there's a die-cast bots. And looks like another Gundam figure. And we got a Star Wars. Looks like X-Wing fighter from one of the Star Wars series. I think it's for the younger kids. So again, a lot of stuff. These will all be on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. They'll be up for sale before you know it. And if you want to keep watching these videos, I've got a whole bunch more of unboxing videos I'm going to be doing. Like us on Facebook or subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. We'll talk soon.